Today I am going to teach you how to make a cookie clicker in Scratch. So, first of all, let me make a new sprite. Let's name it Cookie. Next, let's you have to draw a costume of a cookie. I've already got one saved in my backpack, so I'll use it. Let's be realistic. Now, in the backdrop sprite, choose a nice orange color about this color, for example. Or you could take the cookies color, eyedropper. I already got the backdrop too. So I'll just drop it in and delete the old backdrop. There. Now let's paint another sprite. Naming naming this sprite naming the new sprite upgrades. And now we can just make some upgrade costumes. So for example, a rectangle and then in it this, which will be a mouse cursor. Next, make a auto cursor upgrade too. This was the cursor upgrade. Now, you can just make it, duplicate this costume, make the size smaller, and down here write auto. Next, in the cookie sprite, make a glow costume. You know, like this glow that shines and turns from behind the cookie. Yes. We don't need this layout costume, but I'll just put it in the stage, right? This is just so that I know where to place it. For example, this or this. Now, let me just backpack. And now, in the cookie sprite, which is already positioned at X0 Y0, I'll take a one green flag click and go to X0 Y0. I'll duplicate it and drop it into all the other sprites as well. Except the stage. Now, with the layout, let's just look for the upgrades. What will be done? I'll just take a comment and now in here, let us just show the X and Y photos of the sprite. Let me just see the X and Y. Okay. Now, if I upgrade on here, there, it's perfect. Negative 198 and negative 138. So let me just type auto is X minus 198 and y negative 138. Now let me just copy this text, and now I'll make a new line and write the same, just paste it. Now the y will be the same and this should be just the opposite. Yup, I knew it. It would be 198 and the y is still the same, and let's make this 2, rename this 2, click plus, because if you get this upgrade, by this upgrade, you always get one, you, the number of cookies that you get for one is increased. One click is increased. Now let us let us first hide these reporters. Hide, and let's make a variable, naming it all for all sprites. Now, because I do have a sprite for scores, I will upload it. UI score sprite 3. This is a sprite for score. I'll just broadcast this new message, that is set up score clones. This creates the score clones so that we can actually start this. And let me just remove this folder. Now, wait, aren't there two scores? Okay, it's not case sensitive. So now I'll just swap them, but you'll have to go through and change on for the variable name. Score. Wait, not scroll, it's score. There. And done. Now this is not even being used because see. Now if I just show the score variable and turn it into a slider, see, it's changing value. But if I turn the old score variable and make it into a slider, it doesn't do anything. So this is not being used, but this is being used. So now let's delete this variable. Delete the score variable. Perfect. And let's just type score. Wait, what? Wait, what did I delete? What? What the? Wait, is it still being used somewhere? Oh, because of this. Yep, now can I delete it? No, wait. What? Yeah, pretty sure that's a glitch. Because if I go into the values tab here and then yeah, there it's fixed. Thanks. So now let me hide the score variable and now wait, what? Let's make a new variable for all, for this sprite only, remember, not for all sprites. I was going to do a big mistake. And let's name it clone number. You can name it, but I'll just name it Smart ID for this sprite only. Now, clone Smart ID. And now, in the custom block section, let's make what the yeah there. Let's make a new custom block. I'll first again delete it. Wait, we still have yeah, it was deleted. So that's how you should save a project. And I'll name it again as I told you. Clone Smart ID. For this sprite only. And now in the custom block section, let's make a wait. Yeah, there's a problem. We just can't make blocks, custom blocks. Does it have a problem with us making custom blocks? Yeah, it does. Okay, so, well, we can't make custom blocks. Then I got this idea. Let's make a broadcast instead. Broadcast build. Okay, it's not there, so I'll just make one. I'll name it. Oops, because it should be name all build two. Yep, because we want to build two clones. Same for this. Yeah, we want to be using the access point. So both of these need two clones. So, oops, can't I undo? I can. And I'll just name it back to cookie clicker and save now. Perfect. Next, let's just put this into there and also this hat block into there. Now, because we got these two things, it will be in the morning, like in the early morning. The stage just broadcasts this. Okay. Now let me take a variety build two block. Now I'll just make some space. No, there. Okay. Now that we got some space, let's just start coding it. Repeat two. And we would like to set the clone's smart ID to 1. So for the, we can also use these two blocks and that will do the same thing. And then repeat 2. Set clone. Change clone smart ID should be inside this. So change clone smart ID by 1. And now use the block create clone of myself. Simple. Let's also drag this into the this plate. And now first, let's just position the upgrades. So, clean up blocks plus. Take the when I start as a clone had block. And now, okay, if else if. Let's just get if else if then wait if then there see what do I there if this then do this I'll do this. Let's also drag this into the wait then there no thank God it didn't let do this right. And now we'll take two equal operators and let's lock this equal and equal. Now to clone smart ID, clone smart ID. Wow. Yep, they both have clone smart ID. Okay, I thought smart ID. Not 50, 1 and then 2. See, that works amazing. Like like a small treat. And now, because that's why, and now go to XY 137. Mm, negative 198 negative 138. Okay, now let's replace this 7 with an 8 too. Okay, we can't. That's the problem. Then, okay, so we need some switch costume blocks. Switch costume to auto cursor upgrade. Switch costume to auto cursor upgrade. Wait, what? Cursor upgrade. There. Now, this will be perfect if we start the game. Yeah, by the way, let's just then hide the sprite. Hide the sprite. There. Now, is it right? And good. Why does it? Hmm, wait. Let's make this do for cookie. And let's make this do for upgrades. There. Hmm, wait. Step. Wait. One, two, and in the early morning you should show. So now now let's just show the cookie sprite too. Oh, actually the glow, right? This is the actual glow. See? So now let's take this. So smart. because I don't know if it's that one. So now this and this and this and this. There. Now we're ready and let's just write the code. Both will go to x0y0 and and switch their costume to the proper costume. Not sounds. Switch costume to glow. By the way, let's just drop in a go to front layer. Where? They're perfect. So that we don't have any bugs. Wait. What? Wait. 3D clones? What's creating this? Yup. And if you're wondering what is happening, it's the same problem. So now let's just hide the original sprite. And there, this works. And in the early morning, you should show up. Yep, the perfect. That's perfect. And now let's just make some space, not duplicate, with some space. There, that's nice. And switch, duplicate it, and switch a costume to cookie. Okay, and let's make it two. Let's make this one. There, that's better. Now this will work. If you don't know, there's a special algorithm for smooth changes. But before we cover that algorithm, let's first just drop a forever loop and turn this way. That's too fast. Then, nope. 5 then, nope. 2.5 then, nope. The switch backdrop to not layout but background. There. Looks like the cookie clicker, right? See? Right. Now, let's just drop all the go to XUYUs in the forever loop. Take a forever for this. There. Why is it click always? Now, just for test, if mouse down, what the? What's the performance? Yeah, that's line up. So if mouse down, so that should be in the sensing category. Then just so that we can test it is working, change not clone smart idle by one. Unlucky, yeah. And let's do this code. Wait, not deleted yet. Hope it's deleted from everywhere. The code. So now, yep, and it does work. No, it doesn't work in the code area. Right. Perfect. So let's just stop the project. And now, what we just need is this go to front layer block. What the heck? I didn't ask for this. I just asked for this. Now that's right. So now, yep. And always, early in the morning, brush your teeth. So, we'll set score to 0. Let's see. Okay. And now, whenever we start the project, and we have 16 clones in this project. That's nice, actually. Wait. Oh, I see. Why are you making it 12 times? Just make it 8. And that's that better, right? Yeah, that makes 12. But I'd like 6. That's not. There, we're using 10 clones. Now, let's remove this. Stop the project. There. By the way, let's just make one special thing. Where's the forever loop? There. And timer. Reset timer. Perfect. And when timer is greater than 0.01. Timer is greater than 0.01. 0.000. Look at this bug of Scratch. It just scrolls away the window. Perfect. That's enough. Let's try again. There. It has saved. So when timer is greater than this long block, see how many decimal zeros we have. Now let's just clean up blocks plus and even clean up blocks plus. Can't manage. There. Okay. There. When this happens, let's just delete. Let's just hold. There. 0.00. There, that's right. That looks good. No blocks. Then switch backdrop to wait. Let me just take a slip of the game. Wait. First of all, let me just remove this forever change 4 by 1. Right? And let me hide these variables because we don't need them. Hide, hide. And now I'll just take a screenshot of what is going on my screen. There. This capture. Wow. Nice. Now let let me just save it quickly. Save. Yep, save whatever you're doing. Go. Okay. So I just saved the picture and now in the backdrops let's insert it. So where's insert HD upload? That's right. And now I'll upload my picture. Which I don't know where it is. Yep, I don't know where my picture is. So I've got the trick. This. And see, I found it. This is our picture. So now let's insert it. And instead of having it named screenshot to do this and that, let's simply name it the game or screenshot. So now in the stage where we're recording, where this happens, let's in the look sprite, let's start the project. Wait, yeah, pause. Okay, because it's you stop it, right? So here. And wait, is the backdrop too big? Just minus, minus, minus. Yep, it's too big. So all, let me resize all, and now we've resized it so that it fits. And now there, let's just go back into the code, and when timer is greater than this, switch backdrop to this. And now let's again stop it because we don't want the project to forever run. Stop all. So now look at this. It always resets. Now this is what happens. Yeah. So now we will have one more thing to do. Actually make it work. Right now it's like if I will step back. Wee! That's like a jetpack. Just flying up. And the score variable never stops. If I just show score, right. So now this I'm not allowed to drag, but look. This should not be happening. So and if you click on the upgrades or anywhere, it just didn't work. What the hell? So stop the project and see. Let's just hide the score variable for a sec. And wait, what is the sprite we are in? Yeah, we're in upgrades. It just doesn't highlight something. Because like if you do this, there. See, it doesn't highlight. But you can see what sprite is. Auto cursor upgrade, which means it's in upgrades. What the? Isn't that weird? Now, let me just. Okay, if it got unsaved, that's not a problem. And now let's actually detect the click. Let's duplicate this and move these two blocks. Yep. If you're wondering how I could just pick one block up, it's a scratch advanced feature that I'll tell you more about later. If touching mouse pointer, then if mouse down, but that means if someone does it like this, will still be counted. 21 can just hold it. But no. Wait until. So let's just take one more mouse. Let's just take one more mouse down. Wait until. But now this makes no sense. Wait until mouse down. Because we already checked that mouse is down. But in the operators, we just need a not. Now it's checking for not mouse down. And that makes complete sense. And after that, put the score. Now it works amazing. See? No more dragging like this. But this is not right, right? But if we do this and then this and then this, that's not right. So now let's just like recheck, duplicate this. Remove these two blocks. We don't need them at all. Now remove this and if touching mouse pointer. Now even this is not called a click. Just this is called a click. Perfect. That's it for today. Hope you had fun and just save the project or else you'll lose all your hard work. Thank you and bye.